Hello programmers, hope you all are doing well. Basically this video is a prerequisite for all the videos that I'm going to upload. In this video we will learn about Git installation, account setup and 10 commands which we are going to discuss, as these commands will be more than enough for processing the repositories and keeping the references of the work that you do. So let's get started. Open your browser and simply type desktop.github.com and that link will redirect you to this page. Here you simply have to download the GitHub. Once you have downloaded, you have to follow simple steps. Note, you have to click this checkbox and you have to hit the install button and install it in your system. Again in browser, you have to type github.com and sign in with the help of your Gmail. Once you are all set, we are good to go. Now we will create a new repository. We will name it as a demo and we will hit the button create repository. Yes, you have successfully created your repository. Once we have created our repository, I wanted to clone it to our device, to our local machine. Now we'll simply open our command prompt. I want to clone it under GitHub demo. I will write git clone and paste that. And it is cloning. Now as you can see, I am here under GitHub demo where our repository get cloned. Yes, it has successfully cloned. Now I will add some item here. Now we will simply enter into demo. Now we want to add this demo.html page to our repository. So what we do for that? We have cloned our repository. Now we are into our cloned repository. Now we will just simply write git status. It is showing untracked files. For this, what we have to do? We have to write git add and again we will check status. See, now demo.html is tracked. Now we will simply write git commit whatever message you like to. We have committed it. Now we have to push it into our repository. We'll write git push. Now as we pushed it into our directory, we'll check it here. And yes, it has been added to our repository. Once you have successfully pushed it into your repository, just simply click settings. Find this option, click it. Now as you see, one link has been generated here. We will open it into a new tab and we will simply go here. We'll copy this we will paste it here and yes, you now can locally host your web pages on GitHub. We have discussed 5 commands and we are remaining with 5. Sixth command is git branch. By using branches, several developers are able to work in parallel on the same project simultaneously. This command will help create a branch locally. Seventh command is git checkout. We use git checkout mostly for switching from one branch to another. We can also use it for checking out files and commits. Eighth command is git pull. The git pull command is used to get updates from the remote repositories. This command is a combination of git fetch and git merge. Ninth command is git revert. Sometimes we need to undo the changes that we have made. There are various ways to undo our changes locally or remotely, but we must carefully use these commands to avoid unwanted deletions. Tenth command is git merge. When you have completed development in your branch and everything works fine, the final step is merging the branch and the parent branch. We have successfully discussed 10 commands and we will explore more. For today, that is all. Thanks for watching.